Hello guys, today I will be building a mini synthesizer using a keypad and a buzzer. This is really simple and I think anyone can do it, but it is quite time consuming for me. Programming the board so that when you input something, it will light up the LED on A0. This is by far the most time-consuming part of the project because it took me around 30 minutes to write the code, so I just sped it up here. Now I will upload the code to my Arduino. There were some problems on the build, like the LED not lighting up, so I fixed it. Only problem is that I actually burnt the LED. I only realized this when I was editing the video. Now that I've finished the build, the schematic I used for the build will be available later in the video. I noticed that mode D sounded weird, but I kept it in because I found it funny.